Here's my new ignition switch using the cruise control switch from an 89 Cabriolet and a touch panel switch. Engage cruise control. Notice the light comes on the dash. The lights come on there. So does the stereo. From this point, system is armed. I can turn it to off. That means ignition is off. The red light serves to tell that the system is engaged. Notice I can run the starter, but the engine will not run. But if I turn on the switch, starts the car. Simple, effective. Notice no key in the car. I want to stop the car. I could either use the switch right here, or there you go.